Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the basics are active, Wi-Fi turned on and airplane mode off. Once done, get within good range of the router so signal strength is reliable. Now click the network icon in the lower right taskbar to reveal available SSIDs. This shows security types and signal bars so you can choose the correct network. You do this first so the system can see and list networks before you attempt authentication and configuration. After selecting the SSID, click Connect and type the network password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check characters. Make sure to tick Connect automatically if you want Windows to join in future. If the network uses enterprise or different security, choose the correct authentication method in the dialog. Once connected, go to Settings Network and Internet Wi-Fi to view properties or set a static IP when required, because some networks need Finally, verify the link by opening a browser or running a quick ping to confirm DNS and routing work. Make sure network properties match expected settings and mark the connection as metered if you have limits. If you fail to get internet after authenticating, forget the network and reconnect to refresh credentials. As a key troubleshooting tip, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter and update or reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter driver. That resolves most driver or configuration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.